Hi there, students. Intricate. Okay, if something is intricate, it's complicated. It's got lots of little bits, there are lots of details that you need to pay attention to. You could have intricacy. The intricacy of this job, a noun, an uncountable noun. The intricacy of this job makes it very difficult. Intricately, an adverb. This machine is intricately put together, and I guess intricateness as well. Okay, so intricate. If something is intricate, it's got lots of small parts. It's very complicated. It's very delicate. So, for example, if you've looked at inside one of these old-fashioned watches, it's very intricate, yeah? And a watchmaker or somebody who repairs watches needs to be able to see all of the intricate little things that's going on. A design could have an intricate pattern. Yeah, very complicated, lots of things going on. I guess if you've ever played Where's Wally with a picture of lots of different people doing different things and you've got to find Wally, the picture itself is very intricate. There's lots and lots of small pieces of detail. If something is intricate, it could be difficult to understand because it has so many complex details or so many interrelated parts that it's very complicated. Let's see, one of the things that sometimes I don't like about spy films is the plot becomes so intricate that I just get lost, and I would almost like somebody to stop the film and say, okay, now let's give you a resume of the plot to now. Okay, so intricate details, an intricate pattern. Okay, it's complicated, it's involved, it's got lots of different things in it. If something is intricate, it can be interesting, but it can also mean that you lose your idea of it. Yeah, too many intricate details, a very intricate drawing, or an intricate piece of carving. A dress or a hat could be very intricate with lots of little bits, or embroidery. Yeah, embroidery could be very intricate. An intricate design. It's complicated, it's involved, it's complex, it's got lots of little bits, little details. Or it's complicated, it's hard to follow because it's got so many small tiny parts. It's full of elaborate detail, or then maybe they're intricate relationships between the different things. Something made of filigree is intricate, it's full of elaborate detail, it's got a great deal of complexity. Let's see, Gothic architecture can be quite intricate. Okay, many complexly arranged things, an intricate procedure, an intricate pattern. There were intricate patterns drawn all over his hand. Yeah, very involved, complex, sophisticated, yeah, with various different things. And that's the idea of intricate. An intricate knitting pattern. Yeah, and you've got the small details. The intricacy of this is difficult to follow. Okay, that's the idea. Let's see. Formality, intricate. I think 5.5 in formality. I think you could use this intricate just about anywhere. And as to origin, it comes from Latin, intricatus, from the verb intricare. Complex, little bits inside it, tangled up, complicated. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Intricate.